So, my friends, now today you see this chakri lighting effect on the festivals. You can put this light at your home and we will start learning as how to make it so, how to give these effects duly programmed and coding in Node MCU 12E ESP Node MCU. You see both sides there are Node MCUs and this is Node MCUs. Hello my friends, Electric Uncle is again with you. So my dear friends, just a brief introduction of 54 seconds. Our Multitech education platform is launched for a free education to the needy students and especially to provide some material for programming and coding related projects to the students under poverty line. After closing my all business, I just jumped into this free education platform. So, hope you will learn, you will enjoy. So many various subjects are there in this. You can choose anyone. So, let us start. Please subscribe and share it to needy students. So, my dear friends, let us start. You see this effect of this chakri in the night. It is very beautiful. So we will start. First I will come on the board as how to make it with the connections. You see there are 25 branches. Every branch have got 8 LEDs 2812B WS and 5 volt. Here are the, these connections you will find with the strip LED. There is one connector. This is Node MCU. I am using instead of Arduino Uno because memory is big of this Node MCU. And you will see from the strip one connector is coming out with 3 wires and 2 wires in parallel, positive, negative. In the connector there are 3 wires, positive, negative, and center one is of signal wire. So we will use side wires 2 independent for positive negative supply, and we can give this from any end, 3 ends also. Positive negative is independent and externally we can supply. Signal will go like this. The center signal wire and the ground wire of the connector. We will not connect the positive anywhere. We will leave the positive. From the connector we will take one green, one ground to Node MCU. And this signal wire will go in series, you can say. Will enter from the connector end, go to down, then come back up, and the strips are to be placed like that. The arrow of the strip will be opposite of each branch. One is going inside, from one branch it is coming outside, right? Again inside, then outside. So like this, the connections are shown in the starting. I have given a diagram. You can see from there. You can pause the video and see that connection in the starting I have given. And like this, we'll connect here. We'll go inside, then there it is connected. I have put a tape there, then come outside, then again go inside, like this. In a zigzag way. Here is the positive negative independent supply. I am showing on the drawing. And there are 200 LEDs, 8 LED per branch, 25 branches. So 200 LEDs, and they supply this from here negative, positive, independent 5 volt we will give from here. From the connector only 2 wire will come. There are 3 wire in the connector. Red wire not to use. Signal green wire will go to 6 number pin of Arduino Uno or D4, and ground will go to the ground. That's it. And to node MCU we will give separate supply of 5 volt, or from the one source we can give to both separately. To the node MCU 5 volt, and this signal wire and the ground, it will take 0.3 volt only from there, and the signal will go to this chakri, you can say. You see the effect that this our node MCU is programmed with the code. I will show you, and this ready-made you can get it. So node MCU duly programmed. I also bought it from some gentleman from Hard Hat Electronics. So they give with the program this node MCU, and the students below poverty line, I will pay for them. I will get them arranged free of cost. You see the signal wire I have put there, ground and 5 volt supply to node MCU. And how to add this board in your Arduino IDE software. Just today I launched a video in English, in Hindi, before it was in English. So you can watch that also, how to add it. Now let us come to the programming side. So this is my video making OBS Studio. Now here I have another node MCU, and I will show you how to program LED. And I have got this LED strip of 144 LEDs, but I have not made the branch here. You can make branches, so we cannot get the same effect of chakri here, but they will start lighting after we program it. The same program I will make it so. Same code I will use for this strip. What I am using for that chakri I show you. No difference at all. You can give 5 volt supply from any side, from one end or the other end. Only 5 volt strip which is independent. Through connector I am using only ground and signal, and signal should be fed in the direction it is mentioned on the strip, in which direction the signal will go. Voltage is also marked, positive negative is marked, so don't make any mistake while making such connections. I have made before also how to make the strip connections, soldering, how to make it best. So node MCU normally used for the Wi-Fi projects like home automation system. I will be launching a video for that also very soon. But here I am using it instead of Arduino Uno, because the memory is more than that of Arduino Uno, which we need in this chakri program only, because chakri has got so many hundreds of effects, so program is big. So I use this one. So now we will move towards our Arduino IDE. Connections we are made it as per the Arduino IDE. We will open it. We will see the example of this code, and we will see the connection where to connect in signal wire to the node MCU, and ground is to ground. So now I am connecting it, connector for the signal, and the supply I am giving at the other end of this strip. Just to show you only, this is an example. This code is for chakri. First you have to make that chakri and then program it, connect node MCU accordingly and to your computer, and through Arduino IDE the code we will program in the node MCU. Here it is. So now I will give supply 5 volt from my mobile charger to node MCU, and 5 volt I have given through my power supply separately to this strip. Same we have to do with the chakri. So let me make the connections and then start with the software Arduino IDE. How to program the code inside the Node MCU. So gentlemen, should come to our computer and open the software. I am checking all the connections again. Nothing should be wrong before getting started programming it. And afterwards what you can do, you can take this Node MCU to the chakri and make connections only, give supply to the LEDs 5 volt and signal wire to this of the chakri and start. No need for computer then. After programming, you take this Node MCU there and just make connections as I show you before. With the chakri there is one Node MCU. The complete name is ESP8266 Node MCU 12E. So this board you must add in your software first, then library, then program it with the code. So now I have opened Arduino IDE and you will see already there is my code. First LED.h include this library. This is Budur Mala program and you see at the top Lotus 1, Lotus 2, Lotus 3, hundreds of programs are there. Effects. Due to these there are different effects creates in our chakri. So data pin is 4. We have connected our signal wire, green wire of the strip to data pin and ground to ground, and the now we have to select LEDs. There are 200. This is the board. Before it was Arduino Uno. So after adding the board, I have made one separate video on that, how to add the board in your Arduino IDE. So I will select the ESP8266 boards. This is generic ESP8266 module. So I will select this one and now I will see the port also. It is a must to check whether connected or not. Your USB port through which you have connected your Node MCU. And now we can upload this program. If everything is okay, the strip will start giving light. Not that effect of chakri, but it will start lighting. No error will come if it uploads perfectly. Otherwise there will come some error. Port is not available or the connection is something like that. The ground wire is wrong, like this and that. Any error can come. If everything is perfect, now it is compiling. After compiling means it is okay near about, then it will upload it. And just take this Node MCU out from here and connect it to the chakri. Take it there. Now it has started uploading. Let us wait and watch. It is going on. Yes, the uploading is in continuation. It takes time, big program. So it has done uploading. And you might have seen in the Node MCU also there was the LED blinking during the program and our strip has started glowing. See, at the side there is light, and program has been uploaded perfectly. So gentlemen, you can also proceed accordingly and watch it. See my cursor. Okay. See you in next video. Please subscribe.